Your information system is vast. How can you find out whether it has been compromised? Where should you start looking? Analyzing one workstation normally takes an expert one working day. How can you quickly know if you have been compromised? With its APT Check solution, Airbus Defence and Space provides a simple and efficient answer to this question. APT Check is operated with our forensic tool, Keelback Host. The scope of the APT Check is defined with the customer. Keelback Host is rolled out by the customer on each workstation for the analysis phase. It is a non-resident tool, completely transparent for the end user. Keelback Host simultaneously scans each of the workstations and gathers a very large amount of information. Metadata is then analysed through analytical and statistical studies, comparing the workstations one with the other in order to spot potential suspicious behaviour. At the end of this analysis, you get a straight answer to your question, is my system compromised? If you have been compromised, our experts will provide you with their recommendations and solutions. It can take just 10 days to analyse up to 5,000 workstations.
Employing classical forensic analysis techniques to cover such a large scope would take a significant amount of time to complete, likely 1 day per workstation analysed. Keelback Host, however, provides a scalable capability that allows experts to view and analyse large quantities of forensic metadata concurrently. Furthermore, collection of this data is both quick and completely transparent. An offline analysis ensures no impact on workstation performance or user productivity.